So here in this statement of Abu Darda, it makes us realize actually that there's nothing wrong with a person being joyful and being happy and laughing, but not to the extent that you actually end up thinking this is the purpose in your life, to always joke around, to always be happy, to always be joyful, because it's never going to happen. And then when you start thinking that's the purpose in your life, you're going to forget the Akhirah. You're going to forget the hereafter. And this is why the famous hadith of the Messenger of Allah ﷺ, when he said, if you knew what I knew, then you would laugh little and you would cry a lot. So when you start to reflect and think about death, then you realize actually, this enjoyment and this entertainment that we're having in this world is just temporary. So it's actually a way of us being more tranquil and more peaceful in our lives. Meaning we don't have to always be excessively laughing our heads off, to be happy. Sometimes it just takes a reality check for us to be content with whatever's happening in our lives. To be content with our lives and the experiences that we're experiencing. And the second thing Abu Darda said that decreases was jealousy. Because you start to look around you and you start to see things that people have and things that people don't have, and instead of thinking to yourself, I wish I had what he had, I want to get that. And so it's like a rat race, isn't it? And then you start to work more, try to make more money by hook or by crook. You start making money illegally, you start earning haram money, just so you can keep up with the Joneses, just so you can have whatever the next door neighbors have, whatever your friends have, whatever your relatives have. And then you start to forget about the reality of life, that death will eventually come. So when you're thinking about death and you see people that Allah's given things to and they're blessed with certain things, you start to think to yourself, at the end of the day, Allah's blessed them with certain things, and may Allah bless them with those things. Allah's given me certain things, but at the end of the day, all of these things are just temporary, they're trivial, they don't make a difference. It's just things we're going to have for a short period of time. And nothing lasts forever anyway. Someone has a car, he'll have a new car in 5 or 10 years.